Hello everybody. I thought I'd come out here even though it's dark and not gonna go for a ride or anything, but excuse me. Thought it'd make me feel a little bit better if I came out here. Maybe check out. I wonder if this thing will fire up. Woohoo! I thought about getting on it when I got home. I'd have loved that. But I didn't. Wonder if this one will fire up. After firing up that thing over there, this one's like firing up a moped. Battery was low. That's why the flashers are kicking on. Better run for a second. Got a bad ground on that light. Says it's low on fuel. That's enough. And then this one here, I need to pull primary cover because the starter gear is getting jammed up in there and it won't doesn't turn over. And I'm saving this one. I'm in no big hurry to work on it because I know that, man, that S&S motor, when she fires up and does that chug-a-lug-a-lug, chug-a-lug-a-lug, it is truly awesome. Absolutely betting that when I take this thing for a ride, I'll fall in love with it. I don't know if it's got the torque that one's got, but if it does with that S&S motor, which I think that it probably will, I think that it'll win my heart over. That's what I think. It's got a little scratch here. It's got a few little showing its age for a bike that only has 5,000 miles on it. It's been more of a garage piece, I guess. I forget what year that is. I think in 2005, I think it is. Can't remember. So I got this here bicycle. It's a Trek $600 bike. I got for 100 and something. I like it. I would like to take it with me on the road. I just don't want to get it in the weather. And then this, when I bought the purple bike, we picked this up on the way home. I can't remember what I paid for it, $700 I think. It's I need to readjust the float on it. I adjusted it up, and it won't start without a little bit of help when it's cold. So I need to adjust that float again. This time I need to get it right. Other than that, everything on it works. And it's fun. And that car there, it's the most I've ever paid for any car in my entire life. I paid $11,000 for that car. It's garage kept. It gets dusty. But just a few of our toys here in the Big Belly household. Nothing like coming out and firing up some bikes and smelling that good old carbon monoxide, huh? Make you feel a little better. Yeah, so I got all kinds of meds, an inhaler with a steroid. I got some mucinous stuff and some antibiotics, and got quite the infection in my lungs. So I guess I'm glad I came up negative. I will have to say this, y'all. I have no taste buds, and I can't smell, and I haven't been able to for days. And therefore I have no appetite. And I got some high dollar meat today and cooked it when I got home for everybody, and it was like chewing rubber to me. So if you don't mind, I would ask that you guys lift me up in prayer about my taste buds, because I'd sure like to get them back. And I like to smell things too. So if you would, if you don't mind. Anyhow, and anywho, God bless. Have lots of fun. And later.